Hello everybody. Now we are going to learn then how can you find out the cube root of a number. किसी number का cube root हम कैसे निकालते हैं. So the sign of the cube root is already you know, that is we are denoted by cube root. This one, this is the sign of cube root is there. If we talk about the traditional method, suppose you want to find out the cube root of 64. What we are going to do? We are supposed to do the factor of this one. अगर हम ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से बात करेंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे इसके वी विल डू द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस वन. सो फैक्टर ऑफ दिस 64 विल बी 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And after doing the factor, prime factors, we are supposed to make a group. In a group there should be the three numbers. 3. We will make the group is here. And from every group we are supposed to take out 1 because cube root order is 3. तो इन ग्रुप में से एक नंबर बाहर निकालेंगे that is 2 and 1 from here only that is equal to 4. So 4 is the cube root of 64. Similarly, another number you are taking, for instance, you want to find out 729. You want to do the cube root of this one. So you are supposed to do the factor of this one. So this is cube root of, you must do the factor. As usual, you can do like 729 over, you can divide by 3. 4, 3, then by 3, 3 8s are 1. Prime factors you are supposed to do 27, 3, 9, 3, 3, then again we will continue this as the 1 is come. So as usual we will do the factor of this, the given number is there only, and these numbers you must write down here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And after that what we are going to do, we are supposed to make a group. In a group there should be the 3 numbers. हर ग्रुप में 3 नंबर होने चाहिए and from these 3 you can pick out 1 number. इन 3 में से एक बाहर निकालेंगे 3 and 1 3 from here, so you will get 9. So 9 is the cube root of this number. So likewise simply by the factorization method you can find out the cube of this one. So here the 2 digit and 3 digit I am taking, there should be 5, maybe the 6, 7, 8 digits are there only. So now we will try to learn the shortcut of this one. Means within 2 and 3 seconds we can find the cube of any cube root of any of the number. Within 3 to 4 seconds, in 3 to 4 seconds we can find the cube root of any of the number. Now have a look. Okay, now we are going to learn the shortcut is there. How can you find the cube root of these numbers? The few numbers I am taking here only, then we will try to understand. How can you find the cube of this number within 2 and 3 seconds is there? But before that, उससे पहले हमें ये चीज समझना है. You have to learn this one. केवल आपको learn क्या करना है? 1 to 10 cube you must know that. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 260. Likewise there only. What exactly हमें क्या समझना है कि if I am doing the cube of 1, your unit place digit is coming 1. If I am doing the cube of 7, your unit place digit is 3. So it means you are supposed to understand the unit place digit. Unit place digit first. See, देखिए what you are getting. In case if you are going to do, here is 1, 2 cube 8, here is the 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9 and 0. See, in case of 9, if you are going to do the 9 cube, you are getting the 9 is here only. Similarly, you can compare is here only. See, here is the, you are doing this 5 cube, 125 is, so unit place digit is 5 is here. Here is 6, here only, 3, here is the 2. Likewise, you are supposed to learn the first of all this digits is there. It means if you are doing the 1 cube, then your unit place digits also coming 1. But if you are going to 2 cube you are doing, then your unit place digit is coming 8. But if 8 cube you are doing, your unit place digit is coming 2. So you can take these two numbers together. You can take these two numbers together is there. It means if you are going to do the 2 cube, then your unit digit is coming 8. If you are going to do the cube of 8, your unit digit is coming 2 here only. Similarly, in case of the number you can take now, then 3, here is 3, cube you are doing, then your unit place digit is coming 7, and 7 cube you are doing, your unit place digit is coming 3 in these two, and in the rest 1, 1, then 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9, and 0 in case you are going to, so 0 is there. Just you must remember this one. Only these two cases are there in which if you are going to do the, अगर हम 2 का क्यूब करते हैं तो यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट हमारी 8 आ रही है, अगर 8 का क्यूब करेंगे तो यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट इज कमिंग 2 इज देयर ओनली. सी, सो दिस इज द थिंग्स यू मस्ट रिमेंबर, इसको ध्यान रखिए बस. अब नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल यू वांट टू फाइंड द क्यूब ऑफ दिस नंबर, you want to find out the cube of this number, suppose. So I am writing here, this is cube root 59319. The shortcut is there. Just take the 3 digit only. You have to make a group. First 3 digit from the right side is there. So you are getting this 9. 9 कहाँ पर आ रहा है? If you are going to do the 9 is here, it means definitely your unit place digit will be 9 is there. Now think about this one. Now you have to think about this number only कि ये नंबर कितने नंबर क्यू के बीच में आ रहा है. Just see here, if you are going to do the 3 cube, what you will get? 27. If 4 cube you are going to do 64. So this is the number is lying between. This 27 is less than 59, but this is less than 64. This number is lying the cube of these two numbers. इन दो numbers की cube के बीच में ये number lie कर रहा है. तो आपको क्या करना है? Smallest number लेना है. Here is 3. So the cube root of this number is 39. This is the shortcut is there. Have a look. Then we will discuss rest of the. Yes. Now these two numbers I am taking here only. Important point is here only. It is coming cube root निकालना है. That should be a perfect cube. That is the very important point is there. So just see the last 3 digit. Last 3 digit में यही 4 आ रहा है. 4 किस में आता है? Here is 4. Means 4 whole cube you will do. Then your unit place digit will come 4. It means definitely your unit place of this cube root you will take will be the 4. Now just see these 3 digit is here only. These 3 digit is lying between. Just see now you will do the 5 cube. That is equal to 125, which is less than 157, and 6 cube. This 157 is less than the 6 cube. That is 216. So the smallest number we will take. हमें क्या करना है? इस नंबर को देखिए कि किस नंबर के क्यूब के बीच में आता है. And the smallest number that cube you are supposed to take. The smallest one. So 5 is the cube root of this one is 54. Here is 7. 7 कहाँ रहा है? Look at here. It's coming 3. It means definitely your unit place digit will be 3. Now think about this number. This number किसके क्यूब में lie कर रहा है? 1 का क्यूब 1, which is less than 2. But this is less than next 2 cube. That is 8. It means the smallest number will come. So your cube root of this 2196 is 13. So likewise, you can find out the cube root of any one of the numbers there. Have a look. Yes, one more number. Here is you want to find the cube root of this number. Same. First 3 digit का unit place digit देखो 1. 1 किसकी क्यूब में आ रहा है? 1 का. It means definitely your unit place digit will be 1. Now this number किन दो नंबर के क्यूब के बीच में लाई करना है? 2 cube is 8, which is less than 9. And 9 is less than this number next 3 cube. That is 27. It means the smallest number. Smallest number will be here. So cube root is 21. Means हमें इस नंबर को ऐसे दो नंबर के क्यूब के बीच में लेना है conjugative, which should be this should be greater than but less than this number only. So the smallest number, छोटा number, we will come here only. But here is the quite different. Here is you are taking 7283. So 8 you will get from where? You will get from 8 you are getting. If you are going to do the cube up to, so it means definitely your unit place digit will be 2. but now here is the 1. So 1 cube you are doing, you will get the 1 is there. If your number is comes cube, किसी नंबर का क्यूब करने पर ये नंबर itself आ जाता है, तो you have to write that number only 1. So the cube root of this one is always there only. So likewise you can find out by learning, just remembering this table is there, कि हमको क्या करना है कि यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट, फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट लेंगे ऑलवेज, यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट को देखेंगे किस के क्यूब में आ रहा है. 1 इज हियर, 1 के क्यूब में 1, तो इट मींस 1 विल कम एट द यूनिट प्लेस. एंड अबाउट दिस नंबर, इस नंबर को क्या करते हैं, 2 नंबर के क्यूब के बीच में जो स्मॉलेस्ट होगा दैट विल कम हियर. 2 का क्यूब 8 इज लेस देन दिस वन, लेकिन 3 का क्यूब इज मोर ग्रेटर देन दिस वन ओनली, इट मींस 2 will come here only. These two should be conjugative. ये दोनों conjugative numbers होने चाहिए. This is there only. Okay, thank you.